po. Ganun na ganun.
Ulitin mo na, Stel.
Nakaka-pressure naman. Araw, gabi, nasa isip ka. Napapanaginip ka. Kahit saan magpunta.
Ang galing.
Okay ba yun?
Kaya na yung susunod na trending after ng bell dance mo,
Hindi po, hindi. Yes.
But anyway, how do you feel to be among these powerful women and presenting an award?
Yeah, actually, to be here present tonight and to celebrate this wonderful event, to just honor and to celebrate the power of women, sobrang nakakatuwa kasi before talagang music is everywhere and we can say na music really tells stories and we can connect to everyone. But tonight, this is a very moving experience, especially to all new artists din. And I heard merong mga bagong artists na makaka-receive ng award din tonight. So I'm very moving itong event tonight, celebration na punong-puno ng music and of course, empowering and celebrating the women tonight.
What's gonna be next for Stel?
Next for Stel. Naku, parang naghahanap kayo ng ano dito, makikitang something Next for Stel, I guess, there's a lot of project. And parang alam ko na yung